In this video, we're going to show you how to install the idler pulley on your Toyota Tundra located on the front side of your engine. We use our 14mm socket on our extended ratchet. We're going to come over here. Now this pulley is just to the right of the power steering. This is our tensioner. So with our Serpentine tool on there, using our 14mm socket, we're going to push down to the left. So it's basically going counterclockwise. Go ahead and pull the belt off your other pulleys. Now that we have that belt loose, I'm just going to leave the tensioner tool on there. Tuck that belt down. And let's go ahead and remove some hardware. Now the idler pulley that we want to get to is just to the lower left of our upper radiator hose and our water neck here. If you push this hose back, you can actually see it right here. And there's a 14mm bolt in the middle of it. So we're going to use our 14mm socket on our extended ratchet for a little bit of leverage. I'm going to loosen this bolt. And we do want to remove that. Now when we remove that bolt, that idler pulley will just fall off. I'm going to reach down right between the air intake tube here and our water neck or our upper radiator hose, spin that off. There it is. And take your pulley, install the plate on the front side. I'm going to go ahead and put our bolt on here. I'm going to feed this down inside. And just going to get that bolt started. Now I'm going to go ahead and thread that in as far as I can by hand. I'm going to gently snug that down. Let's go ahead and torque down this bolt to 12 foot-pounds. Now we can install our belt. So we're going to line up our belt on our pulleys. So I'm going to get them run on most of the pulleys here. You want to make sure that they're on all of the ribs. Very, very important. All right, so around the tensioner. And bring that tensioner down. We'll run our pulley up and around. With that tensioner down, we can run the belt around our pulleys. You want to make sure that the belt is fully seated between the outer portions of the pulleys and is fully seated inside the ribs. Now you're going to do this all the way around. You have the crankshaft, you have the power steering, you have the AC, and once you have that all set, you can go ahead and release the tensioner here and remove that. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.